normal ken yam kana diala kontin baro chameling en wal shanka badak ka pai baro ron kina dangro wide jan dangro de de cha bana jome bana jalinkel ka do badan dong de kon linga ja lingwa jame gwa dere tek du daraja ken shumnate ka ke shumnate kenna mila ruaacni ki la shumne la kalinga de ken tek tela duop meder woni am kaja tegriu de keliu je kaja kanetin ci jal kreda kanetin tek ngach mutok ki ne to kon ngach ka to kreda so mi jiram dongoro dong deri shumna dere keling no goro jen wojin bi jidu bi japianga gwa katin kon lat karodian you know tene to wan ti shaji be mentioned traiteka cha churai bekek but ngeda no no ma teleriek cheng chicken deer ke tikdu no terami ke gire tega dien you know sometime in life you have people you support them when they have nothing you stand by them when no one else believes in them but once they rise one they thrive and lead they will never mention your name they act like you never existed your effort your sacrifice your loyalty forgotten they gujeno na ne ti tisha te kel ke sha let kel me chika dong chika dore gane jek no ke chika na gujeno chika kwar chika rodwang te ka bom te ka me chika ke dine no it doesn't matter to them and who you are then bikete dialte go de kone shilet ke ne to you know biken parwich shirgaman to ka dr reg machar chene to wan chaka ladika ta man kana ladika but now everybody jena ka dr reg machar benya dr reg machar pin ler shetal mi dr reg machar let kaka you know chete dialte konte chala chor the sacrifice ko be South Sudan be ladika but in the end now ne to wan jena kaja amana nuare lo ke dak sing machar you know ka ta dan ngayen e jen golen ngaru den kaja so na makarwade am bej kodi ramish ya de kel you know shala de wan shala kel ka be jela ban pin so na mo la nyu da gwanu shala kwish ngwane kodi because some people only value power if your enemy become the one in charge don't expect them to speak well of you even if you help them reach where they are they will push you aside and act as if you did nothing that is their nature wanteru you know miche kwerche je ke cha take a bomb cha take a power you know ajara mandan en kurdial ku gari alika don't jira mandan moy na ka let okay let's just imagine that don't take a let tupke ka jino gor jeno dong de la dere jek no ki temo gam dere jek so jin be jo be wel geka be gujelo talila dor so instead belana ji jor dadu mishate ka metwo be gujeno jin kujengwa you know dong be la do jin na mushilat ka nothing tell mishilat chit ka tema dakre ma chane de ngon ku kana deny tin gore ko ne let kana en go tell me dr macharalat jin ga shankel no bran ramchi let kete go re runi dial bi parwi ke shankel jas ko te ramchi jitiat jas ko te rami mo mele tichi jek te chala do jen jek shande ka jeno yo be jutiat ka gwas dan dong temu gam de let karam mo ki tem de let ka jibe be jonje no jang ko gwantel mala de janan gwantel la da goro ngwane wen chero de realika chero ngwan che je jira mo no bara turn ke jelo be chwara madan be yuan number 1 gwanteru chebra dier ka tiga dan tikaje whatever you did for that person no bala zero kaje ke babang alo che be chak gwinje no tem chilet kaje jo so na makarwa da mitede na me amiji akshi magwa ko mishit kana mone la nyu da gwanu na mo kwin ngwane ka jara mone okay but remember janane one thing we must remember is that time change Allah de kolar no cheng ne ger karodian. Someone may be on top today and collapse tomorrow. There aren't temelo kwer badarun there ben pin there a lot. Kajano chet jek chagalele chagalat. Nothing in this world stays the same forever. Tell me jen ke tek we monti di aldaka jen agolar no sham torke ke ketke. And me gujimon we a permanent, that is not true. Tell me la permanent. Tidia la ketken la torken, you know, meneran ba, but time the ben bejen we mon. You know, jen mukuna la dapka gar ke je tem ko run baga ban we mon. No. So Jimmy to Gwinjano position down teeth in a permanent, a low charge buitin, your road look a gwitch. Cha quarang one chaka watch. Cha quarang one chicken dong, chicken liu telemilet kenne. They are gone. You know, a changwijan wale, you are on top today, but don't in a pan. Okay? So even if they ignore your contribution or act like you don't matter, it is okay. A changwiji kenen wojin telegilo wale, ma telele cause tam do ngode. Bumuga bile lat. Kagwasen be. What matter the most is your consistency. Men gwa long, kiemen dinijan long dere kep korodo, and wojin chirodo begera. Chirodo bimen gera. Chirodo gerba. Mledimo tenetin lania. Ajen nandahana bukod be yukul puska jareida. Okay? Stay true to do what you are. Keep doing what is right. Don't let their silence or pride distract you. Nedi shit kada to mucha jiban pin. You know, shu manante gaji shu ja abandon, shu ro woiten. Mila mo gala ja leni. Shu dun mo gwa mo shu pelka kwidian. You know? Ko ta dong di ranen, mila de mo gwa be pel dong be gurno. Okay, ngang me chero and be no cher shit kaje. Ko gur jen will be at the same level, but no. You don't have to do that. Jinte mi ko the kami already. Keep doing what is right, len mo gwa ne jen. And we bit ke kill can the children lot chicken dear kana. Please do not be like them. Chu jodian lakana lado siang shura siang kaisha chu jelet. Be true to yourself. Be true to your people. Lenena goy kaneku. Then do dan bon yam kaja. People can say what they want, but your purpose and your work will speak for itself in the long run. You know, dem golden diala ledi. They got tell the wale. But Joe do charge women get charge shan do charge women work kaje. Nether no grass and baby jilla can kadoro mo. A cheng logo ji wale rune borolene judge. Barik jene me a jiram book warishing the jericon and charlotte. Gorgeno, you want to be like them. Ngak ko temla toga ngak lenny jikong. Name qua meslet niji nanganajire Paul yarkan widow. Okay? Sadly, the world sometimes praise those who insult, mock, and hate others. The one who speak the loudest, even if they are wrong, often get the attention. But you don't have to follow the past. Keep your dignity, keep your focus, keep your heart clean, because in the end, truth rise and God never forget. Men bingajene, win mon la talk, de ko alar no kan ji jengne, ne di ji kwesa, ne di ji la jori, don't can it con no ke win mon. But you don't have to be like them. You are very rare. Allah shianduma talk to gajumo. Michoko the kamimo. Please keep it with you. Ko janadan en benabi kule gerkeja. Allah quit la mala tuka kapet. Ano shiangje la mala tuka kapet. La jo la tuka kapet. But shiangoi is forever. So michi kote jumo ka shiang magwa. Lene naika chuna la jor. Just simple lene magwa. Okay? Ajandan gorke. One last thing. Point out the fault. Mite duer me chala lade ngak che duer me chala kene menene. So ajan dob dan manan yam kajem. But keeping silent, you know, on the face of the oppressor, jaka nu duro mo ko be jak. Maybe the Lord bang. So chana speak out. So ko ajan dob dan en ba kon kule link kaje. And you know, a chang cha jo dan bling antama but take a time ba jo dan ba je link kaje. Biya take a mal.